Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and firmware compatibility. This avoids surprises. Once done, plug in a stable power supply and attach the main display using HDMI or a USB-C alt mode cable. Make sure the device is unlocked and any required system option for dock mode is enabled. If a PIN or pairing is required, enter it now. By initiating these first steps, you create the conditions for a smooth transition into the dock experience, so don't skip verification. Now activate dock mode using the Quick Settings toggle, a dedicated keyboard shortcut, or by attaching the docking accessory. You'll feel the system reconfigure. Once active, adjust display arrangement and resolution to match your monitor. Use 16:9 or specific native resolution for best results. Configure audio output and confirm external storage mounts. Make sure peripherals are assigned correctly. For example, set keyboard layout and default audio device. These middle steps optimize performance and input behavior for productive use. Finish by arranging apps, confirming window sizing, and adjusting scaling so text and UI elements are comfortable. Set power management preferences. Decide sleep timers and whether the dock charges the device first or prioritizes peripherals. If something goes wrong, reboot the device and reseat cables. That fixes most connection glitches. If problems persist, check for driver or firmware updates and test with a known good cable or monitor. One key tip: swap the cable before deeper troubleshooting to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.